Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I did break a nail. It sucks, I know. I either have to take all of them off or get new nails. I'm probably just going to take them off and just let my nails rest for a little bit and then get new nails, like always. So yeah, going back to the video. So this is my third Valentine's Day video. Instead of a makeup look, I want to show you like 3 outfits that I would wear. You don't necessarily have to like dress the same or anything like that. You guys could do whatever you guys find. These are just my ideas, from like casual to dressy to casual / dressy, which is the outfit I'm wearing right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I only chose 3 outfits because I'm simple as that. I don't really have any like dressy, and we don't really do much on Valentine's Day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment any video requests or any questions you guys have down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.
Do you love me?